TradingView is an easy-to-use platform that helps you track stocks, charts, and trends in real time. You can follow expert traders, share ideas, and analyze the market all in one place. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your trading, it's a great tool to help you make smarter decisions. Plus, it's free to get started. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use TradingView Complete Guide for Beginners. All you have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into tradingview.com, and you'll find this page as you can see. So first, let's know what is TradingView. TradingView is a user-friendly platform where you can track stocks, view live charts, and analyze market trends. It's perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering tools to make smarter trading decisions. Plus, it's free to start use. Right, so you have just to click over get started in the top right, and you will find other things. Firstly, if you have other information before getting started, such as look first, the lip, we have where the word does markers. We have also other things here, such as love in a free trading view. You have just to read this information, but I will show you right now how you can get started. I already have an account here, and right now I will just click over here if I want to sign in to find my account, and I will click over get started to sign up. So I will click over sign up, or you can just click over sign up for free. So we are free until you're ready. So we have here the essential one. We have two packages. The essential one, first we have the professional one, and we have the no professional one. You have to select if you want essential plus premium. I will select, for example, this one, and we have here firstly 2 charts per tab. Then we have 5 indicators per chart, and we have more information about each one. 10,000 historical bars. Then we have 20 price alerts, 20 technical alerts, 10 parallel charts connections. Then we have no ads, volume, profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar reply indicators on indicators, and that's it for this one. And those things we have it in the other one. So here we have the same thing, but about this one we have chart data export and intraday earning cow and charts based on custom formulas. So but this one you have to pay $25 per month. You can just put it yearly, which is $3,300 per year, and about this one 156. Right, about the last one you have to pay $50 per month and $600 per year. Right, so you have it's try for free for 13 days. After 13 days you will have to pay. So we have here 8 charts per tab, 25 indicators per chart, the same thing, but we have here all listings. But here we don't have tech-based antivirtual, ability to buy professional market data, first priority support. So I will just click over here to sign up for free. Then you have just right now to getting started by adding your email address and adding other things. About me, I already have an account, that's why I will add mine. Click over create account. So I already have an account here, and I will just click over here to find my page or find my account. Here we have it, as you can see in the top right. You will find here my account. You have just to click over profile, saving account, and balance. And if you come back right now here to you have products firstly, and you have also plans here, and let's just select in here, for example, this one, and let's come back right now. Right, so we'll find firstly here how it looks. We have here firstly the trading, how it looks. We have some examples here, and here we have a button of plus if you want to get started, and we have also here some options that could help you. For example, for a cross, dot, arrow, razor, magic. Then we have also here this option. About this one you find here ray, info line, extended line, trend angle. We have a various things, and right we have other information that could help you. So about this one I will just here expect that it's gonna be like that, as you can see. So here we have it right now, and there we have it. So it's just my expert, it's gonna be like that. And also we have here other things and various things that you have to know about this one, such as in the right we have here alerts, data window, We have an object tree and data window. We have various things. In the top you find also here compare or add symbol. You have 1 day, you select your candles, indicators, we have metrics strategies, we have your indicator templates about alert you have to create it, and we have here reply if you want, as you can see. So we have just to click over here to select the starting point, and here we have it right now, and just start trading by using also those things, such as if we want here, for example, add text and short text note, price note, and other things. And we have also here those options that could help you. For example, we have here fib replacement, we have fib circles, if you want fib spiral, and then you will get started with this platform. Also here we have trash. For this one we have remove one drawing, one indicator, drawing and indicator. Also we have here stock screener, and we have also other things here. You can just filter right now by clicking over here. We have also other things. We have some examples here. For example, Bitcoin, we have the price, we have high and low, and we have also volume, as you can see, right? So once you sign up for TradingView, you can start by exploring the main dashboard, where you will see a variety of charts and stocks tickers. Simply search for a stock or asset in the search bar, and the chart for the asset will appear. You can customize the chart with different indicators, time frames, and drawing tools to analyze trends. You can also follow others or other traders, join discussions, and even share your own insights. It's all super intuitive and great for both beginners and pros. All right? So right now we have just to use this option to get it started. We have here my account, and we have here some things like we have what's new, notification, home, select the language. If you want a dark theme, drawing, so we'll click over here if I want dark theme. As you can see, I think it's better like that. But I will just come back to the white one, right? If you want to sign out, you click over here, and if you want to choose the language and other things here, we have here in the top animate. We have also here for the publish, you click over here and you start publish idea, record video idea, speak your mind. So we have various things in this platform that, so we have to search deeply to get started with this one. Alright, if you wanna here zoom in, if you wanna here magnet, or if you wanna here stay in drawing mode, and we have also here if you wanna lock all drawing, hide all drawing, and also we have here manage magnet mode, snaps drawing placed. Then we have also here, for example, measure, icon, text. Then we have brush, long position, and we have patterns. We have here fib retracement. Then we have also here about this one trend line, and we have the cross. So TradingView is a powerful yet user-friendly platform that makes tracking stocks, analyzing trends, and sharing trading ideas easy for everyone. Whether you are just starting or have experience, it provides all the tools you need to make smarter trading decisions. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.